I'm Rachel. I'll be your student physical therapist today. So what I really would like to do today is some stabilizing reversals and rhythmic stabilization, and these are different type of PNF techniques, which stands for proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation techniques. And these will be really great to work on your core stabilization and activation and continue focusing on that neutral pelvis like we've done before. So is that something that you'd be interested in continue doing today?
Sure.
All right, so I think the best thing for us to start out with would be doing this in bridging. And so just to remind you of what that bridging is, this is what a bridge is. So you'll be like right here, and then you'll just come up. And I'll help you with that lift up against gravity because that may be a little difficult for you. And so basically in this position, I'm just going to be providing some force, and I'm just going to be using some verbal cues like hold, don't let me rotate you, or hold, don't let me move you. So you can kind of understand which direction we're trying to resist. So you can go ahead and put your legs in flexion, and I'll have this pillow right here. So we aren't having to go up all the way against gravity. So you can just put this underneath. Okay, thank you. All right, does that feel good?
It's fine.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and help you up with the lift up. All right, and so now I'm going to be providing force, and now hold and don't let me rotate you. Okay, relax, and you can slowly lower back down. And we're going to do the same exact thing, just on the reverse side. Okay, so go ahead and lift up. Hold, don't let me rotate you. Okay, relax, and you can lower back down. I don't think we have to do that a second time. I think we only had to do it once. Okay, so now we are going to do the bridge again. Just this time I'm going to be providing force anteriorly, and so hold and don't let me push you down. Okay, and now from behind, hold and don't let me push you up. Okay, and you can slowly lower down. Okay. Okay, I think I only had to do that once. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same exact thing, just in a different position. It's kind of like a progression to really continue working on that core activation and stabilization. So if you can go ahead and just come down here to the edge of the bed, and you can bring that pillow along with you because we're going to use it again. And what you're going to do is this time you're going to be in this tall kneeling position, and I'll have a pillow here to assist with getting up and to provide comfort if you end up going down, so you can just go ahead and get up right here. Okay, and we're going to be doing the same exact thing this time. So again, I'm going to want you to hold and to not let me rotate you. Okay, you can go ahead and relax. And what kind of muscles did you feel working there?
Just my oblique abdominals.
Okay, that's really great to hear. So we're going to do the same thing and on the opposite side. So hold and don't let me rotate you. All right, you can relax. And did you feel the same muscles working on the other side?
The obliques.
Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do the stabilizing reversals. So I'm going to be providing this anterior force, and I want you to hold and don't let me move you. Okay, and from behind. Okay, great job. So what kind of muscles did you feel working there?
My pelvis muscles.
Yeah, so working on that neutral pelvis.
The hip flexors.
Yeah. Okay. So another progression that we can do here is we're going to be moving to standing, and I'm going to get this gait belt because it's going to be important during this time, just as a safety measure and everything. So I'm going to put this gait belt around you. Okay. Okay. You can put your arms down. Okay. So we're going to be doing the same exact thing that we've done before. Again, this is just a progression. So we're just going to be doing this in standing, and I'm going to be providing the same exact force. So again, go ahead and hold and don't let me rotate you. Okay, relax, and then switching to the opposite side. Hold and don't let me rotate you. All right, so did you feel the same muscles working that we did in tall kneeling?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And so now we're going to be doing like an anterior force. So hold and don't let me move you. Okay. And then hold and don't let me move you. Okay. Let me make sure I just checked everything off this list right here. Okay, so a final progression that we're going to be doing is we're going to now do the same thing, but we're going to be at the shoulder, which might be a little bit more difficult, but I want you to tell me how you feel about doing this. So I'm going to have one hand here, another hand here. Again, I want you to hold and don't let me rotate you. Okay, so how did that compare to what we were doing at the pelvis?
It was a little weaker.
It was a little weaker?
Strong, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to try it on the other side. Just same exact thing. Hold, don't let me rotate. Okay, and now for the last thing, I want you to go ahead and put your hands up in this Y position. And again, I just want you to hold and don't let me rotate you. Okay? All right, and then how did that compare to doing it at the shoulders and then at the pelvis?
It was a little more weak.
Okay, yeah, well that's great.